unboxing video of Hollyland Lark A1. Okay, I take the liberty to remove the shrink wrap so it's easier to open. Let's start. Okay, this is the initial packaging. I think this will be the after sales card. Let's take a look. The packing list. This one will include the charging case, one USB receiver, two transmitter, two magnet, one cable, two windshield, one carry bag, and this is the packing card and the quick start guide, everything. Okay. Quick start guide. Okay. Let's put one corner. This is the charging case. Okay, let's take a look. This is the mic. You can see that there's actually a blue insulating sticker here to prevent it from charging. And you can also see there's actually, I'm sure you can see, there's actually insulating tapes here as well. So this is the magnet. This is the USB. Oh, USB-C, sorry. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, this is the back. This is the, what is this? Let's take a look. Oh, this is a wind furry. Oh, one only. Okay. Oh, this is the second one. This is a cable. Well, that's it. That's everything. Thank you.